Welcome to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the legendary Land Rover, a brand known for its perfect blend of luxury, durability, and off-road power. Whether you're in the city or conquering wild terrain, Land Rover is built for every kind of journey. Let's explore its key features from design to tech to performance. Land Rover models stand out with their bold and elegant design. You'll notice the muscular stance, signature grille, and sleek LED headlights. The high ground clearance, squared shoulders, and sharp lines all reflect strength and confidence. Whether it's the classic Defender or the luxurious Range Rover, every model looks built for action. Inside the Land Rover, it's all about premium comfort. You're welcomed by top-quality leather seats, a clean dashboard, and a spacious cabin. Features like heated and ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof, and multi-zone climate control make it feel like a five-star lounge. Even the rear seats get the royal treatment. Land Rover's PV Pro infotainment system is fast and user-friendly. You get a crisp touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and a premium Meridian sound system. Voice control is smooth, and the digital driver display puts key info right in front of you. This SUV doesn't just move, it connects. Under the hood, Land Rover offers options from turbocharged 4 cylinders to powerful V8s with hybrid models available too. But the real magic is off-road. Features like all-terrain progress control, terrain response 2, hill descent control, and deep water wading ability up to 900mm make it unbeatable in the wild. It's not just a luxury car, it's a true explorer. Safety comes standard with Land Rover. You get 360-degree cameras, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor, and more. Whether you're on the highway or a rocky slope, Land Rover's intelligent systems keep you protected from every angle. Land Rover isn't just about looks, it's practical too. With up to 7 seats, power folding rear rows, and excellent cargo space, it's ready for family, friends, and gear. Add in a towing capacity of over 3,500 kilograms, and you've got an SUV that works as hard as it plays. To sum it up, Land Rover combines rugged performance with luxury living. It's perfect for people who want more than just a vehicle, they want an experience. Whether you choose a Range Rover, Defender, or Discovery, you're getting heritage, innovation, and adventure in one package. Thanks for watching. If you liked this review, hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Which Land Rover model should we review next?